guys, welcome back to my channel. Annie Stacey here. In this video I'm going to be doing an unboxing, reviewing and showing you guys a demo on my Magic Bullet blender. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and get it out of the box and show you guys how it looks. So yeah, this is how it looks. This is a package in which it comes in. So this is the power base and it's about 250 watts. I guess that's enough because this is supposed to be like a mini blender, a mini food processor. So yeah, the white stripes inside are not to be removed. So yeah, this is how it looks. Actually, this came with 3 blender cups, or like 2 cups and a pitcher. So this is the larger of the 2 cups. And another limitation I realized is that these cups do not have like measurements. I think it would have been nice if they had like measurements on it and stuff. But yeah, right now I don't know what quantity of liquid it can carry or so, but yeah, this is the bigger of the 2 cups, and attached to it is the blade. So yeah, the blade has 4 sides, like the basic or standard blade. So yeah, this is the smaller cup, and attached to it is the lip ring. So yeah, if you do not want to drink, or if you want to drink directly from the cup, you can just attach the lip ring, because I noticed that the screw, the on and off screw, is located outside, meaning you cannot really drink directly. So yeah, that's why you have the lip ring. And yeah, this is the pitcher. It looks nice, and I think the pitcher is larger than the larger cup. So yeah, and then we have the lids. There are various lids. There are 3 lids, and one has like a flip top. Yeah, so this is the flip top one. So those are the 3 lids. So I actually went ahead and just played around with the lids and the blade. So you can actually use any cup to blend. You just need to take off the lip ring and attach the blade to it, and then you blend. So all the 3 cups are going to work, are going to blend whatever you want to blend. So yeah, you just need to switch, and yeah, you're ready to go. So depending on the quantity, you can decide what container you want to use. So yeah, I just played around with the various lids. Like, all the lids will work for all the containers. It's not like one particular container is meant for a particular lid. So depending on you, it's not a personal preference something. So yeah, I'll go ahead and show you guys a demo on how to blend. So I'm going to be blending some carrots, orange pulp, and some pawpaw or papaya. Okay, so yeah. So I'm done blending, and this is how it looks. It's not super smooth like I expected it to, but it's okay because I like my smoothies to be like this, not super smooth. So if you're looking for something that will be velvety smooth, maybe you can try other blenders. Thank you guys for watching, and bye bye.